In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Wix website for team expansion. If you're about to grow your team, setting up your Wix site the right way will save time, reduce mistakes, and make collaboration smooth from day one. Let's walk through the essentials in a clear, practical way. First, add your team inside Wix so everyone has the right access. From your site dashboard, go to Settings, then Roles and Permissions, and choose Invite People. Assign roles based on what each person needs to do. Admins can manage everything, editors can build and update content, and contributors can help with specific areas. A simple rule of thumb is to give the least access needed to do the job, and you can always adjust permissions later as responsibilities grow. This keeps your site secure, while still empowering your team to move quickly. Before we go further, if you need to sign in or create a Wix account, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct website quickly. Now let's organize the site so people know exactly where to work. Make your pages and sections easy to understand with clear names, like blog, services, or team, and keep a consistent structure. Group related pages together and add brief notes in page descriptions so new teammates understand the purpose of each area. A tidy layout reduces confusion and speeds up onboarding. Next, create a duplicate of your site as a backup. In the editor, click Site, then Duplicate Site. This copy is your safety net. Name it something like Backup with today's date so you can spot it easily. Use this duplicate to test new layouts or content without affecting your live site. And if anything goes wrong, you can always revert or copy the correct version back into your main site. After that, define a simple workflow so everyone knows who creates, who edits, and who publishes. For example, contributors can draft content, editors handle revisions and formatting, and an admin gives final approval and publishes. Keep it clear and documented, and match your workflow to the roles you set earlier. Consistency reduces bottlenecks and helps new team members plug in faster. Finally, provide short, focused training. Walk your team through how to edit pages, upload media, and publish updates. Show where shared assets live and how to follow your naming conventions. If someone is new to Wix, let them practice in the duplicate site first so they can learn without pressure. That's the foundation you need for a smooth team expansion on Wix. Put these steps in place and your site will be ready to scale with confidence. Thanks for watching.